Hello. In this video, you will see how to reconstruct the array in VMFS Recovery. I remind you that all the RAID configurations and disk scans are processed virtually in read-only mode and don't affect original disks. First of all, you need to know there are two algorithms that detect arrays. The first is started after the program startup or when disks are added to the system. This algorithm will automatically check disks for RAID signatures, create a new RAID configuration and add it to the disk list. The second algorithm is the built-in RAID wizard. It's a more sophisticated tool that detects RAID configurations by the file system and partition signatures and allows manual reconstruction. This wizard is started by default when VMFS Recovery is launched. It will guide you through the process, displaying all the information about detected arrays during the startup and initiate a new scan for lost arrays if required. I have added disk images from a small 1 GB RAID 5 array beforehand to illustrate a process. As you can see, it consists of 6 disk images, 205 MB each. Each disk image contains an unallocated volume. The startup algorithm has already detected the array after disk images were mounted in VMFS Recovery. It contains the correct label, RAID array writer and a correct NTFS volume called NTFS volume 4. Let's see what RAID wizard will show us. There is an array that was detected during startup too. And it's strongly recommended to open it, before going to standard mode or skip and go to constructor. As a rule, such a detected array has the correct structure, but if the user ignores it, the software will omit it in further results too. Let's open this detected RAID disk. We need to open a volume in order to gain access to the data, instead of opening a hollow disk. For all RAID reconstruction cases, it's strongly recommended to use reader or on eraser modes. This will spare a lot of time. Reader will open the disk the same way as any file manager would. On eraser mode will add deleted files and will calculate the sizes of directories. To check the integrity of data on the reconstructed array, you need to preview files that exceed the sum of stripe sizes in the array. This array has a stripe size of 64 kilobits, therefore previewing a file that exceeds 384 kilobytes will prove that disk order, stripe size, and array's geometry are correct. In the next video, you'll see how RAID Wizard can detect disks in automatic mode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and visit our site for more guides and video instructions.